In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your life with a simple daily planner in Notion. We'll take you step by step through setting up your planner, so you can start optimizing your day-to-day activities efficiently in just a few minutes. So, let's dive in and get started with Notion, a powerful tool for managing your life. First up, you need to navigate to your Notion workspace. Head over to Notion So. This is your central hub for all things wiki, documents, and project management. The workspace is a feature-rich environment, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't already. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is log in. It's a straightforward process. Just click on the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. In case you're new to Notion, you can sign up and create an account, which is equally simple and user-friendly. After logging in, you're redirected to Notion Home, a starting point that offers numerous options at your fingertips, from project planning to task management. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to search for a daily planner. You can do this easily by using the search bar. Just type in Daily Planner and press Enter. Notion has a wide array of templates to cater to different organizing needs, making it easier for you to choose one that fits your style and requirements. Once you've executed the search, scan through the templates available and select one that you think will work best for you. Each template is designed to be customizable to suit various preferences. After selecting your preferred template, simply click on Add to insert it into your workspace. This step is crucial as it allows you to personalize and start utilizing the template right away. Now, with the template added to your workspace, it's time to make it your own by editing it to fit your daily life. Start by adding in your tasks, important dates, or any priority items that you need to track. Notion's interface is designed to be intuitive, so as you update the template, feel free to explore the different features that can enhance your planner, such as reminders or color coding for categorization. Take some time to customize your template to reflect your unique schedules and commitments. This organization will help you not only keep track of tasks, but also prioritize them efficiently, ensuring no important detail is overlooked in your day-to-day activities. By fully utilizing the capabilities of Notion, you'll have a valuable tool to streamline your daily routine. And there you have it. That's how you organize your life, using a simple daily planner in Notion. With this setup, you are now well equipped to tackle your schedule with increased productivity and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy planning!